Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be working on the Civic. I got this mesh here that I've had laying around that I got from one of my buddies a couple years ago, throwing it out. What I'm going to do is I got a set of roof racks for the Civic, pretty cheap, 25 bucks on Facebook. And now I'm going to cut this apart and make a homemade roof basket and see how it turns out. What I'm going to do is take this first square, just cut halfway through these, try to bend it up, and then weld it back together, and then same with the front and then the back. So anyways, gonna get the grinder out, start cutting this up. I'm gonna have to flip this over because I want to cut the other sides of these bars. I think I'm gonna go with these bars on the inside. No, I might go this way. Cut this side and then fold it down the other way, I think is what I'm gonna do. Then I'll have these bars on top kind of thing once you flip it over, a little closer together. Anyways, I'll get the grinder out and start cutting. There, I got that all cut and bent. I don't know what you can see there, but sides are just a slight bit higher, but I got some places to weld to anyways in the corners. And then what I'm gonna do is where I got a cut down here, I'm gonna fill those full of weld. All of those, come around, weld these corners, and then I'm gonna cut here and fold. Actually, I might take this on a bit of an angle. Yeah, I'm gonna take this, fold it on a bit of an angle. Maybe a little more than that. So I can get it where I want it. Kind of like that, I think. And then what I'm gonna do is cut the back side of these once I got it all welded and bend that over so it's flat, and then you got kind of a little pocket here. Yeah, I'll get the welder out, get those corners cut off. And what I'll do is cut right here and right here. Then you want to have the ends sticking out at all, like no end here. Get those welded up, probably fill it in with a little bar. Got some pieces left over from cutting the corners out. Yeah, I'm gonna get this flipped over. Hopefully it'll stay together. It's pretty loose because there's not much metal holding it there. Get it cut apart or get it welded up, flipped over, welded up, and then see how it fits on the car. So we finally got a nice day. Finished off this roof basket, got it all welded up. Corner's done, top's done. Ended up just making a little bar here, one across there. And now I'm gonna get ready and put some rocker guard on it for some paint. It does have rust on it and stuff. It does peel off through the year. I might sandblast it, but right now I'm just gonna throw some paint at it and hopefully get it on the car today. See how well it dries. If not, it'll be tomorrow. Oh, we got the roof rack on, put the bolts on, all painted up. Not the greatest paint job because I didn't have a whole lot, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, and hit that subscribe button. We will see you in the next one with some tires, hopefully. Hope you enjoyed.